A number of free programs are available on Windows that allow users to adjust and modify their voice output sound. In this tutorial, we will use Clownfish, a popular free software that changes your voice across any application. First, navigate to clownfish-translator.com, then click Download. Select the version that is compatible with your PC and OS version. Once downloaded, launch the installer and follow the prompts to complete installing Clownfish onto your PC. Now that it's installed, search for Clownfish in the Start menu to launch it. The application will appear in the system tray rather than a window by default. Right-click the icon to access the menu. The top option, Set Voice Changer, will allow you to customize the effects applied to your mic. With the custom effect applied in Clownfish, open up Discord settings and navigate to Voice and Video. Confirm your input device is correct, and using the mic you have Clownfish altering. Below, select Test Mic to confirm your voice is coming through,
and using the voice changer effect properly.
If it is, Clownfish is working properly and can now be used on a Discord voice chat.